Hello, my name is Jenny Kitchell. Today we are going to talk about test-taking strategies. Test may be the most unpopular part about college life. Being prepared, knowing what type of test you are taking, and taking care of yourself will help you be more successful at exams and help ease your test anxiety. Let's first look at the different types of tests. We have quizzes, tests, and exams. How you do on a test depends on the type of test, the subject matter, our understanding of it, and how much we have prepared. Okay, let's look at quizzes. This covers a small amount of info. It's a brief assessment of what you know. Instructors add quiz scores together for 1 grade. It can be a quiz over 1 reading assignment in class. That's an example of a quiz. Tests usually are more extensive and covers more material. They are more heavily weighted in your grade and could be over 1 to several chapters. Tests may come every few weeks, but they vary with each instructor. An example is a test over chapter 1 in your class or over several chapters that you have covered. Exams are usually given at midterm or finals week. They are the most substantial kind of assessment and can be over an entire course material. So an example is midterm exams. They are weighted heavily because they are to assess your knowledge of what you have learned so far in the semester. Ways to combat test anxiety. Test anxiety is a temporary condition characterized by fears and concerns over test taking. Ways to beat it. Prepare thoroughly. Eat right and get enough sleep. Learn relaxation techniques and visualize success. Some relaxation techniques include deep breathing, exercising, meditation, or to name a few. Study groups. They can be an extremely powerful tool. Study groups can also help you prepare for a test and alleviate test anxiety. Here are some tips about study groups. They help you organize information. Students share different perspectives on the material. There's a less chance you will overlook information, you rethink the information, and you can also help motivate group members. Taking the test. The day of the test, you need to remember to read the instructions carefully. Answer the easiest questions first. Write legibly and on only one side of the paper. Matching machine scored test, make sure you colored in the right circles. And save time at the end of the test to check your work. You don't want to overlook any important information. And ask your instructor to clarify any questions before the test starts. And it is important to know when to stop. Looking over your test answers too much can cause you to doubt yourself. Just find obvious mistakes and then let it go. Know that you've done your best. And then your results. Know there is always more tests and more chances to improve your grade. Your grade should be a guide to what you need to prepare for on future tests. Reflect on what you have learned. Examine your mistakes. Correct the missed items for future learning. And then talk to your instructor if you're having difficulties. Thank you for joining us today and our test-taking strategies. For more information, please visit us at the COPE office in Vigo Hall, room 396.